Did you know Indian Railways are more awesome than you think? This is Hi, I'm Abhi and today I want to tell you how awesome Indian Railways are. Actually, our railways are so amazing, I have to tell you this story in a list format. Number 1. Did you know the full track length of Indian Railways can encircle the equator 1.5 times? If you add up all the distance covered by every single train in one day, you can go to the moon 3.5 times. Number 2. Indian Railways employs more than 1.9 million people. That's more people than the Indian Army. Even on a global level, Indian Railways is the 8th largest employer in the world, just behind Walmart and McDonald's. Number 3. There are too many people over here and to serve them there are too many railway lines. The slowest rail of India moves at the speed of 10 km per hour, while the fastest, which is this one, moves at the speed of 130 km per hour. On one hand, we have budget trains like Janashatabdi, which are so affordable that no other train in the world can beat that. And on the other, you have the uber luxury Maharaja Express, the most expensive ticket of which costs $24,000 US. This is how awesome it looks. So my yes team, how many of you would like to travel by Maharaja Express one day? Number 4.
The Indian Railways is the lifeline of the transport system of the country. It spends 111 rupees out of every 100 rupees earned currently.
That means it's operating at 11% loss, and that's before salaries. Number 5.
People credit the British for starting the railways in India, but what they don't know is that the British also plundered the railways. So the British needed steel for the purpose of the war, and the first place they looked to the railway tracks. Railway tracks all over the country were plundered, and when that was not enough, factories were diverted to make raw materials for Britain's requirements, leaving our railways without repair and in disarray.
And I'm sure you must know about Konkan Railways. It's the most ambitious project undertaken by Indian Railways. Even the British had thought of constructing this, but this was so challenging that they dropped the idea. If you have not watched that video, watch it over here.
So a lot of the coaches that you see here were imported into India for Indian Railways use. From imported coaches to actually manufacturing Vande Bharat coaches and exporting them to Australia, Indian Railways has come a long way.
The Indian Railways customer service is really active on Twitter. And so when I was coming back from Aurangabad by train, the AC in my cabin was not working. So Niyati tweeted about it. This was around 12 AM in midnight, and somebody came and fixed it and then asked me whether I was satisfied with the service. Hell yes, I was satisfied. For an organization which is more than 150 years old, that's really good way of keeping up with modern times. But what makes me really sad is this. This is Tejas Express. It was launched on 24th May 2017, and in one day people vandalized it. Please, don't do that. Indian Railways is for us and it is ours. It is a wonder that it still operates and innovates. I feel happy when I see how they are beautifying the stations. I feel happy that Indian Railways will not use single-use plastic from October 2nd. I feel happy how they have managed to keep Indian Railways rocking all these years. The train journeys I've had were so enjoyable, the food was so refreshing and the service was so awesome, I feel excited to sit in a train. Indian Railways are so amazing that a 3-minute video can only touch the surface of that awesomeness. And that's the reason why
I love India.